Committee, risk life and limb also, Mr. President. Hindi mga mabubuting tao ito. Eh, yun lang iniimbestiga po natin dito sa tinatawag natin continuous patayan na ginagamit ang mga motorsiklo. Mabagal po yung mga inappoint nyo sa LTO. Mabagal na po ng panahon ni Aquino. Lalo pang bumagal ngayon sa panahon ninyo dahil yung LTO hanggang ngayon, 8 taon na po na walang plaka na ginagawa at ilalabas. At pati yung tinatawag nating center, operation center ay naandyan po at hindi pa nauumpisahan at tatapos. Kaya wala akong proteksyon ng mga tao. The Blue Ribbon Committee, your committee of the Republic of the Philippines Senate, is there to protect the Senate and to protect the government from graft and corruption. But above all, we protect the people. We protect the people from malefactors of people wearing uniforms and pretending they're law enforcement when they're the number one people who are pushing their weight around, committing corruption, committing abuses, killing people. And that's why your Senate has also conducted other investigations, not just the Blue Ribbon Committee, na nahuhuli natin yung mga pulis na nagluloko. Mr. President, we are in support of everything that is good for our country. And our country is in...
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.